Hey, future homeowners, and welcome to Home Buyers Thursdays, your go-to weekly show for all things real estate. I'm David Washington, and today, boy, do I have an episode lined up for you. We know that finding a perfect property can be a challenge, especially if you're dealing with no credit or bad credit. But fear not, because we've got some creative techniques to share with you that's going to help you locate your dream home. You don't have to just take my word for it. We're going to be sharing some inspiring success stories from individuals just like you who have overcome challenges and who have found their dream homes. These stories will motivate you, and they're going to show you exactly how homeownership can be within your reach, regardless of what your obstacles are. So you may be wondering, how can I find a perfect home without perfect credit? Well, guess what? I've got some tricks up my sleeve, from exploring alternative finance options to seeking out motivated sellers. We're going to dive into the strategies that will open up these possibilities for you. I need you to think outside the box and discover the hidden gems within the real estate market. But you don't have to take my word for it. We're going to be sharing some inspiring success stories from individuals just like yourselves who have overcome the credit challenges and who have found their dream home. These stories will motivate you, and they're going to show you exactly how homeownership can be within your reach, regardless of what obstacles you may be facing. Remember that the journey to homeownership may not be a straight path, but it's all about perseverance, determination, and thinking creatively. Your credit scores does not define your future. Let me repeat that. Your credit scores does not define your future, and there are many opportunities just awaiting you. So don't be discouraged, be inspired, and take the first steps towards your dream home. Here's another thought that I want you to keep in mind. The road to your dream home may be filled with twists and turns, but the obstacles is just a stepping stone to something much greater. Embrace the journey, stay positive, and watch the doors of opportunity swing wide open. Well, that's all, folks, and make sure you stay tuned for next week for more valuable tips and insights on the journey to home ownership. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that notification bell so you won't miss an episode. Your dream home is much closer than you think. So, until next week, we'll see you on Home Buyers Thursdays.